Did a hidden nation just snag 200,000 Bitcoin, $22 billion, while Powell's speech looms and BTC's already down 10%? Are you really safe? Welcome to your daily 5-minute crypto brief with Satoshi and Nova. Today is August 22nd, 2025. I am Nova.
I am Satoshi. Bitcoin. It saw a mild dip, yeah.
It did, down about 0.8%, hovering around $112,930.
Right, after it got pretty close to $114,000.
Exactly. And Ether followed suit, edged down roughly 0.4% to, about $4,280.
Yep, around there. And we saw similar pullbacks across the board, really. Major altcoins like BNB, Solana, XRP, and even the meme coins, Dogecoin and Pepe, they felt the chill too.
And what's truly insightful here, I think, is the underlying sentiment. There's this distinct wait-and-see atmosphere. It's not just a quick pause. This attitude, it seems fueled by, the tightening monetary policy talk. It fundamentally shifts the risk calculus for traders.
So more than just a shallow dip.
Possibly. It suggests we might be entering a more prolonged period of market consolidation, forces a reevaluation of short-term strategies, Right. And you see stablecoins like Tether and USD Coin holding their pegs near $1. That underscores a clear flight towards safety.
Makes sense.
Plus, Bitcoin's continued dominance in market value. It indicates investors are favoring its relative stability in these uncertain times.
So that wait-and-see atmosphere, it's clearly a reaction to something deeper. What are these bigger macroeconomic forces really shaping investor behavior right now?
You've hit the nail on the head there. The U.S. Federal Reserve's July meeting minutes, they came out Wednesday.
And the tone was?
It's decidedly hawkish, meaning they signaled a stronger inclination towards, tightening policy to combat inflation.
Okay, hawkish.
And that quickly knocked the wind out of crypto's recent rebound. We're also seeing these pre-Jackson Hole jitters. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech is today.
Right, the big speech.
Exactly. So traders are de-risking. Options data is actually showing increased demand for puts.
Downside protection, basically.
Precisely. Giving holders the right to sell, protecting against potential price drops.
So the Fed's stance, Jackson Hole anticipation, can clearly be significant. But what other global economic factors are adding to this cautious mood, like currency strength?
Yeah, that's another headwind. The dollar index, the DXY.
Measures the dollar against other currencies.
Right. It rose about 0.4% over the past day. That makes dollar-priced assets like crypto more expensive for overseas buyers.
Dampens demand.
It can, yes. And separately, on the global policy front, you have China reportedly considering yuan-backed stablecoins in pilot programs.
Interesting.
And Europe is expediting its digital euro plans. Now, while these signal growing mainstream acceptance...
Which is positive long-term.
Absolutely. But they didn't really move the needle on prices in the last 24 hours. The market's immediate focus is squarely on U.S. monetary policy right now.
Okay, so while the macro winds are pushing the market around, the crypto world itself, well, it's never dull, is it?
Never.
Let's pivot to some specific high-profile developments. This mystery nation buying $22 billion in Bitcoin. Sounds like something out of a movie.
Doesn't it?
But seriously, what does the rapid spread of a rumor like that, an uncorroborated one, tell us about the market psychology right now?
It's fascinating, really, how quickly that rumor, attributed to Eric Trump, just took off.
Claiming 200,000 BTC accumulated quietly.
Yeah. And while blockchain analysts have found, no evidence of such stealth accumulation,
Right.
Its rapid spread just highlights the market's susceptibility to narrative, even without concrete proof. It shows how geopolitics and crypto can just merge in headlines and create these ripple effects on sentiment.
That Eric Trump rumor certainly shows the power of narrative, even when it's unverified.
No.
But beyond whispers, were there any concrete institutional moves, anything solid?
Absolutely, and a genuinely bullish one, actually. Hong Kong's Ming Shing Group Holdings.
A construction and engineering firm.
That's the one. They announced an agreement to purchase 4,250 Bitcoin, valued at about $483 million.
Wow, okay. How are they paying?
That's the insightful part. They're issuing a convertible promissory note and stock warrants.
So future equity or debt for Bitcoin now.
Exactly. It's a strategic way to acquire significant assets without hitting their immediate cash flow. Shows a pretty sophisticated financial approach to crypto integration, I think.
And the market reacted well.
Very well. Their NASDAQ shares, ticker MSW, jumped as much as 29% intraday on the news. Reflects strong investor optimism about this bold move.
Okay, so institutional buying. What else? Any big moves in the stablecoin world that caught your eye?
Indeed. World Liberty Financial, or WLFI, it's a DeFi platform, decentralized finance.
Backed by the Trump family, right?
Correct. They minted $205 million worth of their USD1 stablecoin.
Adding to their supply.
Big time. It boosted the total circulating supply to $2.4 billion. That vaults USD1 into the rank of the world's 6th largest stablecoin.
Significant jump.
Very. And it signals strong confidence by its issuers. Plus, it coincides with some positive remarks from a Federal Reserve governor about the importance of well-regulated stablecoins. So, yeah, in summary, the crypto market is digesting some minor losses, driven mostly by U.S. monetary policy dollar strength. Yet the broader ecosystem, it remains vibrantly active, lots of significant attention-grabbing developments happening.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener, the learner? I think caution and context are really key here.
Definitely.
Short-term fluctuations, whether they're from Fed news or, sensational headlines like that Mystery Nation rumor, they should always be weighed against crypto's ongoing adoption and the fundamental developments. It's about discerning the signal from the noise, isn't it?
It really is. And this raises an important question for you to ponder. Is this recent dip just a brief reaction, to immediate macro pressures? Or is it perhaps the initial stage of a longer consolidation phase for the market?
That's the big question.
It is. The next few days, especially once Powell's Jackson Hole comments are fully absorbed, they'll be very telling.
We'll be watching.
Absolutely. Until then, the developments of just the last 24 hours remind us that this crypto ecosystem continues to evolve so rapidly. Always offering new opportunities, new stories each day, proves it's never truly dull.
You've seen the crypto headlines. Now get the signals that impact your holdings. Money.ai scans 1.3 million signals a day, from token prices to Twitter sentiment, and gives you one personalized briefing. No hype, no noise, just your crypto edge. Download Money.ai. Stay ahead.